Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to change a subtitle language in YouTube videos. Okay, you can set the default subtitle language in YouTube video, or you can also change for one video. I will show you in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my Android phone. So guys, here we are on my Android phone, so let me open YouTube first. Okay, so I'll show you, how you can change the language. Okay, so this is video I'm going to open. Okay, I just skip the. So guys, I am on this video, so let me show you how you can change the subtitle. First click on video, then you can apply the subtitle here or caption here, or you can see caption has been applied. Or when I start the video, when it comes to caption will be show here. Okay, so how you can change the language? This is the English language. How you can change it? Go to the settings. Okay, and go to the caption here, and this is the auto generated English only, but you can change. Go to the auto translate, and here you can find out all language. Or okay, so just select the language, which language you want to translate. Or okay, so I just select French, I think, and if I play now, you can see the subtitle has been translated to French. So that is how you can change. If you want to set the by default video language or subtitle, open your YouTube ad, go to the click on your profile photo, and here just go to the settings. Now just scroll down and go to the caption option, this one, and by default it is off like this. Okay, so just on this, click on it and on this, and here you can see the language. You can select the language from here, your default language. I select the English Australia and just come back. So all video will be your subtitle will be, or caption will be, this selected video language. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.